Now we will continue the chapter with hydrolysis of salts of weak acid and weak base. In the last video we have seen the concept of hydrolysis. Also we have seen hydrolysis of the salts of strong acid strong base, then strong acid weak base and weak acid strong base. Okay, with the continuation of that we are going to discuss now hydrolysis of the salts which are made up of weak acids and weak bases. If both are weak, okay, how hydrolysis takes place. So under this we are going to consider three different categories. One category, okay, in all the three the salts are of weak acid and weak base. Okay, now in first category we are going to see a salt in which the acid which is involved in formation of salt is little bit stronger than the base which is involved. So if you will take acid HF and base NH4OH, acid HF and base NH4OH, the salt which is formed from these two is NH4F, NH4F ammonium fluoride. This salt is actually a salt of weak acid and weak base. HF is also a weak base and NH4OH is also a weak base. HF is weak acid and NH4OH is weak base. Okay, but comparatively HF is little bit stronger than NH4OH. Means Ka value of HF is greater than Kb value of NH4OH. Ka value of HF is greater than Kb value of NH4OH. Okay. So when NH4F, when it is added in water, we will get original base and original acid. The acid which is there is stronger than NH4OH and therefore the solution is acidic in nature. The solution is acidic in nature. If you will go to the another type in which Ka is less than Kb, Ka is less than Kb, means the acid which is involved is weak, base which is involved is also weak. But if you will compare the acidity and basicity of both weak acid and weak bases, comparatively the acid is weaker than the base. For example, if you have acid HCl, hydrocyanic acid, and base NH4OH, ammonium hydroxide, both are weak. The salt which is obtained from them is NH4Cl, ammonium cyanide, NH4Cl. Okay, and if you will carry out hydrolysis of this salt, you will get NH4OH and HCl. So in this case, Kb value is greater, means NH4OH is stronger than hydrocyanic acid and the solution will be basic in nature. Okay, we will go to the third category where Ka is equal to Kb. Both are weak but Ka is equal to Kb. If you have weak acid as acetic acid and if you have weak base as NH4OH, the acidity and basicity of the acid and the base, even if they are weak, both are equal. So which salt we will get? CH3COO NH4, ammonium acetate. Acetic acid and ammonium hydroxide will give us ammonium acetate. Its hydrolysis. Okay. So what we will get? CH3COOH plus NH4OH. Both the acid and base which are formed are having equal strength and therefore solution is neutral. Solution is neutral. So this is about the salts of weak acid and weak base. Even if both are weak, depending upon the strongness of acid or base involved, comparison wise, the solution can be acidic, it can be basic, or it can be even neutral also. Okay. Now we will go to the next part of the chapter, that is buffer solution. Buffer solution is the solution, okay, which avoids sudden change in pH of the solution upon addition of even small amount of strong acid or strong base. Okay, see, to any solution, if you will add a strong acid or strong base even in small quantity, what is going to happen? If you will add strong acid to a particular solution, then H plus ion concentration will increase, isn't it? And therefore pH will decrease. Okay, if you will add strong base to a particular solution, then what is going to happen? H plus ion concentration will decrease because OH minus ion concentration will increase. Okay, as H plus ion concentration will decrease, pH should increase. pH will increase. But buffer is the solution which resists sudden change in pH of the solution because of addition of small amount of strong acid or strong base. Okay. Now see, there are two types of buffers. One is acidic buffer and basic buffer. Acidic and basic, these are the two types of buffers, buffer solution. Now acidic buffer, it consists of, it is a mixture actually. It consists of a weak acid, okay, and the salt of the same weak acid with strong base. Salt of same weak acid with strong base. What it is? It is a combination of, it is a mixture of any weak acid and the salt of the same weak acid with strong base. Means what? For example, if you have weak acid CH3COOH, if you have weak acid, acetic acid, plus salt of the same weak acid with strong base, means if you have CH3COOH and strong base NaOH, so salt of this acid with strong base will be CH3COONA, sodium acetate. Okay, so this forms acidic buffer. Acidic buffer is a mixture of weak acid and the salt of the same weak acid with strong base. That salt in this case is sodium acetate. Okay, what is basic buffer? Basic buffer is again a mixture. Basic buffer is also a mixture of weak base. It is a mixture of weak base and the salt of the same weak base with strong acid. Okay, so if the weak base is NH4OH, okay, salt of the same weak base with strong acid. So base we will take NH4OH and any strong acid if you will take like HCl, we will get the salt of this base, that is NH4Cl. Isn't it? NH4Cl plus water. Acid plus base giving salt plus water. So NH4Cl, isn't it? It is the salt which is obtained from this particular base. So this forms basic buffer. Okay. Weak base and the salt of the same weak base with strong acid will be the basic buffer. So what is the role of buffer? If you will add such buffer solution to a particular solution and if you will add acid or base to that particular solution, pH should be affected because of addition of acid or base, which will not be affected. pH will remain the same because of presence of buffer. So buffer is a solution which resists sudden change in pH because of addition of strong acid or strong base. Okay, so in the next video we will see the mechanism of acidic and basic buffer. Thank you.